Hello, can you hear me?
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Okay, today I am going to give training on page builders, page builder with API integration. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, page builder, API zero, API integration. Okay, in data list we have API integration, and everywhere if you are integrating any API, you need API URL and method. Which type of method? Mean whether it is a get method or post method. We need to sometimes we need to pass parameters. It depends on requirement. Okay, and in form we have API integration. So here also same API URL method parameters on success mean when the fetch data on success will event will fire. Okay, this is the mapping, and in form fields also we have API integration. So here also same API URL method map params on success. Everywhere if you are integrating any API to the data list or form fields, any component, we need these fields are mandatory. First we need to select the API URL and method parameters. If there's an API, we need to do any action, then we can specify in the on success event. Now I am going to create okay. Now I am going to create a page with a list and form with fields integration, main API integration. Okay, let's take one application, new application. New application name is let's say I'm doing category or employee. This is application employee management. Okay, employee management theme is Zerocode theme, and icon is the this one. Select all. A default now. Write the brief introduction about the employee management. Okay, if you want, it is the optional one. If you want, you can write it. Now I created one application. This employee management. Okay. Now I am going to create the modules in employee management. Okay. See here I am selecting the employee management. Okay. Module name is manage. Okay. So one. I'm going to create this one, icon. Okay. Application employee application is created and module also created, manage module. Now I am going to create a list page. In the first page we are showing the employee list. Okay, yesterday we discussed the right form field, same thing we are implementing now, list and form. Okay, now I am going to create a new page. This is the wizard. Try with from this application. This is the employee management and manage model, user. Okay, list, emp list. List, public access. If you want to use menu, okay. This is the default one on that page. Done. Now I am going to create one more page is form, employee form, employee management, manage application. Here is the H1 EMP employee form. Okay. Public access I am giving and okay. Now see guys, please mute yourself. Hello. Bharadwaj.
Yeah, sorry, sir.
Okay. And Jyoti Priya, please mute yourself. Okay. So let's start step by step. So first I created with the application, note it down, and same assignment you need to do today. Okay. So first create an application as a employee and create the module is manage module, and under manage module we created two pages, employee list and employee form. Okay. Now I am going to design employee list. Okay. Employee list form. Okay. Now I am going to the builder to design that list. Okay. Here I am going to drag and drop that list, employee list. Here I am giving the list of employees or the employee list. I created employee list. Okay. Columns. So column name is employee name, department, right? Department. So what are the fields generally in the form? Employee and department. This is the drop down field. You need to specify the type here. Okay. You need to specify the API key. Okay. Before that, if you create the data set and API, automatically it will come. Okay. This page is in sorry, we'll do it later. Before that, now we created the application module and pages. Now I am going to create the data set, employee data set. Okay. Click on this, enter data set name is the employee. Okay. And this one data type is SQL. Okay. Click on save and continue. Okay. When you create the database, these are the default columns will be created. Okay. Now I am going to add these columns into the dataset. Okay. First, department is the drop down, right? Here we need to select the choose field. So here I'm going to just specify the field. Now department. Okay. Pick list. Which one? Department. Already created it. So one. Submit. So now department field is created. Now I am going to create the name. What is name? It is a text field, right? Name. Done. Next, email. This is also text field. Just create email. Email also created. Next, mobile number. Mobile number. Use text field. Okay. Number field. This is the mobile or mobile number. Okay. So this one salary. Salary is a number. Or use fraction. Salary. Okay. Salary of the patient. Gender, address, and date of joining. Right. Gender. Gender is a choose field. Gender also done. Now I am going to create the address field. Address is a text area. I hope everyone following, right?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
everyone having knowledge
sir.
on DB creation, right? Data set and fields, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay, fine. Next, date of joining. It's a date field.
Application setup, sir.
It's a optional one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, let's start step by step. First one is we create the application. Same thing everyone need to do today. Okay. First,
Okay.
application created. This is the first step. Now, second one is the second
Yes,
step
sir.
is module created.
Okay, sir.
Third one is pages.
Pages.
Yeah, pages. We created pages.
Hmm.
Now,
Data sets.
data set done.
Yes.
Okay. Now we need to create the API. Okay.
Okay.
This is separate part and this one is separate part. First, this is the basic one, but we created the basic skeleton. Then we need to create this the data set. I will tell you one by one. Okay. Now I am going to create the API. We need to show the list of employees, right? For that purpose, we need to create the list API. So here I am going to select the list API. Which data set? Employee data set, right? Here, which type it is? This API is list API. Why? Because we have multiple employees. We need to get the data, right? Next,
Hello.
this is the post method or get method.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. నేను ఇంట్లో ఉన్నాను వాటి దగ్గర ఇచ్చాను కీబోర్డ్
So, Bharadwaj, mute.
Raja దగ్గర ఇచ్చారు.
Gate, sir.
Bharadwaj,
Bharadwaj.
Sir, can you hear my voice, sir?
yes, Bharadwaj, mute yourself for now.
My screen was struck, sir. It's not going anything.
Okay, rejoin again.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. No method is post or get. Whatever you want, you can use. Okay. Now, name is API name is
Sir,
all employees.
sir,
Yes.
sir, what is mean the post and get, sir? Difference between post and get.
Okay. Post is means if you submit the data, it will not visible in the URL. Okay. If you use get method, it will append to the URL, whatever the parameters added. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Post means it shows in the URL.
No, it's not. If you select method as a get, then only it will shows in the URL, whatever parameters you are sending. I will show it to you.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I will show the difference. Remind me end of the session. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now I am going to give employee list. Now it is a public access. Okay. Save and continue. That means here in the grid, what you need? We need department, name, email, and mobile number. I think these are enough. Okay. Salary also. And
Gender.
date of joining.
Gender.
Okay. No need. Okay. Save changes. Now employee list API is ready. Now I am going to create the employee form API. Okay. Same again, which data set? Employee data set. Okay. So I'm going to select save update API. Here I am selecting the post. Next. Name is employee save. Employee save. This API will help to save employee form data to database. Okay. And this is public access. Save and continue. Okay. Here in the form we have salary, name, mobile number, gender, all fields we are sending data to the database. Okay. Save pages. Done. That means application, dataset and API is also done. Now what needs to do? We need to integrate these APIs to here in the page. Okay. Now I am going to employee list page. We have employee list page right here. When I click on this, we have properties. In the properties, we have API. Okay. Here we need to select that API. Which API it is? Employee list. Okay. This is the post method. So additional parameters, these are no need. Click on save. Okay. Now Now I am going to create the columns. So we need to show the department. See, once you select that API, automatically it will come what are the available keys in that API. Okay, department. Okay, update it. Now I am going to add one more. Which one? Name also we are showing. So name. Okay, name is a text field. Here we need to select that column name. If you want, you can enter it manually. Otherwise, you can select both features are available. Okay, click on submit and add one more column. Email. Email. Here, need to select that one. Email. Submit. And email, mobile number, and salary. Right. Mobile number. Last one is date of joining. This is the date field. Here I need to select the API key, date of joining. That's it. Now employee list is ready with all columns and API data. Click on that one. Click on view. Okay. So now here we are showing department, name, email, mobile number, salary, and date of joining. Okay. Here we have employee form. Now list is ready. Okay. Now what need to do? We need to enter the form, design the form, and enter the input data and save it to database, and we can see the output in the employee list, right? Now I am going to create the employee form. So list done. Now I am going to design employee form. So in employee form, what are the fields available? We have these four. These are the fields, right? Now I am going to drag and drag employee form. Here I am giving the title of the form, employee. Okay. So form name is this one. Now I am going to add the fields. Department. Department is a drop-down field. Already everyone finished this assignment. Same assignment I am repeating. Department is a drop-down. So here I am department. And we have form. So you need to map this same name. Otherwise, we need to do one more thing. If you select API here, automatically you will get API columns here. Okay. Employee.
Sir, it's department.
Employee. You need to create the one more API employee list here. Why? Because see in API we have a list. Save API, and we need one more API is a select API. We need to fetch single employee details. Okay. Simple employee, select the data name, select method is getter post, employee details, employee details, public access, click on save, continue. For each employee details, we need these are all the fields. Select all fields. Okay. Save and publish. No need. Save change decision of for now. Okay. Now I'm going to the employee form. I'm going to drag and drop employee form. In the properties, we have pre-fill API, means it will fetch single employee details. Okay. Employee. So we have employee details. Save page. Okay. Now start the fields. First one is the drop down, right? This is the department. See, all fields will come here. Otherwise, if you want, we can enter it manually, no problem. See, here two options we are having available. We can enter manual also, but this key will match with the API. If you select API, we will get in the drop down. Otherwise, you can enter it manually. Okay. Here we need to select the API in the departments. So how it becomes, we have department. Yesterday we created, right? Select that one, save that one, and now I am going to create one more field name. Name is a text field. Name here also we have drop down. Here select name. Okay. Save that one, and email, phone number, right? Email done. Next is a mobile number. Mobile number also text field will given. mobile number, salary. Salary, this one will be given. Select this one. Salary,
Address. Gender.
gender, right?
Sir, gender.
Gender, here we
Middle
need.
button.
Oh, yes, right. Radio. Gender. Here select the API name. Okay, that's it. Address and date of joining. Address is the texture of the
Date,
Text areas.
date of joining, sir.
address.
Date of
Actually,
joining, sir.
oh yes, yes, we'll add it, that one.
Date of
Date
joining.
of, date of joining. Right. Date of joining. Yes, select date of joining. That's it. Okay. Now we need a button to submit this data. So now finally I am going to drag and drop the button. In the button we need to mention the API. Okay. Here we have API. Select that API and save that one. Employee save, right? We created this one. Employee save. Already we created. Here we need to specify the which component we need to submit. Employee form only. So are you going to validate? Yes. If it is not, what message we need to show? Enter valid format. That is fine for now. Okay. Save page. Now I am going to use that one. Okay. Moment. It's coming. Why it is coming?
If there is-
Okay. Let me check that one. So now try details. Okay. Now I'm going to add this one data. Let's say account department. I am entering Mohan. So see Mohan. I'm enter Mohan data. Email. We will add the validation later. Mobile number. Something. Gender radio. Why did it not coming?
You have not
You need-
selected the API, sir.
API select చేయాలి.
Okay. Gender. Success. Okay. Name. Name. So successfully saved. If you click on this employee list, you can see the data. See,
Yes.
okay. Now our aim is when you click on this one, we'll fix this one. I will tell you how to do it. Okay. When you click on this employee form, automatically this save. So save form. We click on save. We need to redirect to that page, employee list page. That means what needs to do once API is done, we have on success event. Click on success. We need to navigate to new page, right? Click on page. Which page? That one. Click select
Employee
here.
List
Employee
page.
list page, right? Employee. What's in list? See, EMP list, right? Not employee. EMP list. Okay. So we need internal or external, internal only. Target is same. Self. Okay. Click on save page. Now try this one. Something granted. Okay. May click on save. Okay, you give my okay. We didn't save.
You didn't submit, sir.
Okay.
Directly.
Now close.
EMP.
Okay.
Submit. Sir.
I click on submit. You can see that one. What you done. See, this is the downside. We'll get this one. Now save page. Now add it. Or select it now. See. So DB data is saved into the database and navigate to this page. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what to do? In the form, we need to add the validation. How to do the validation? You know, required. It is not required. Okay. And as for now, all are except others. Rest are the required. Okay. Do you know how to do it, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And
For mobile number, if we want to mention length, how to do that, sir?
we have length also. Min length, max
Length
length
also.
option. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. And now our aim is you are clicking in the menu, right? Instead of that, here provide add employee button. How to do it?
Group, sir. Group adding.
Yes, very good.
Group action.
Yes. So we need to add the group action. Group action name is add, label name is create new employee or create employee. Okay. No need. So here we need to select the type. Here, when you click on that button, we are navigating to employee form page. Okay. This is the create employee. Here I am going to select that one. That name is employee form. Okay, internal cell format. So here it is showing. Click on save and reload it here. See, create employee. When you click on this, automatically navigating to employee form page. Okay. When you submit this in on success, we are navigating to again to list page. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today assignment is everyone create one application is employee. In that application, create module as manage or anything else. Okay. We need 2 pages. One is for showing list of employees and another one is employee form. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So whatever you did it in yesterday assignment, same we need to do in the employee form. Create these fields and address is here not mandatory. Rest of the fields are mandatory. Okay. Give proper data and show it to me.
Okay,
I
sir.
will guide you. Okay. We will discuss in the evening session 4 to 5. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Okay, sir.
Any
Okay,
doubts?
sir.
Tell me. So already the previous sessions we explained data set, how to create the columns and actions, all are explained. And yesterday session we explained the form, how to create design a form and fields. Okay, validations. Today's session is we integrated with APIs. Okay. In the earlier session, we already explained what is the data set and APIs as well. Okay. Now integrating, connecting with APIs, connecting with page builder. Okay. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Sir,
Any doubts?
Sir, what is difference between internal and external, sir?
Internal means it will show this tab only. Okay. It will show in new tab. Instead of create, when you click on this, it will here. See, if we click, it will open here, then only internal. We click on see in new tab, right? Tabs. Try it.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Select internal and external. Try it. You will get the difference. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Fine. Any questions?
No, sir. Sir, excuse me,
Hello,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Yes.
Sir,
Tell me.
you said that.
Yes. Yes. Someone asked the post and get right.
Yes, sir. Post get.
Okay. So this is the post method. Okay. This is the post method.
Okay, sir.
Here, these parameters not appending to the URL, right?
Yes, sir.
So in the get method, these params data also visible. In security concerns, post is preferable. We can't see the which data we are passing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I will show it to you the difference. This one, right? I will take this one, employee list. This one we created. Now I am changing method to post to get. Okay. Now refreshing this one. That means here I changed get method. We need to do it same thing in the form list also. So here also we connected with API, right?
నువ్వే అనుకున్నాను.
Okay. Okay, now data is coming. I will show you how you are sending data. See, here appending those data, not here. Okay, see, that's only difference. Okay, okay, fine. Anything else? Any doubts in data set creation, API creation, and application module for page and page design components like data list and form. So far we completed these things. Okay, in coming sessions we will tell you how to do the card opening, add, edit, delete, everything. Okay,
Sir, could you please tell me that assessment again, sir?
sorry,
Could you please tell me the assessment, sir?
assignment.
Yeah.
Today assignment, right?
Yes.
So same thing what I did, you need to do. That means you need to create the application, module, and page. We need two pages. One is for application list page, and the second one is the employee form. Okay, and create one data set, employee data set with specified fields. This fields. Okay, and after that we need three APIs. One is list, and the second one is the save, and the last one is the select. Actually, we don't need this select API here. We can enter manually. So while editing, we need that one, employee form.
Okay, sir.
So if you don't know the API key names, then only we need that one.
Okay, sir. Okay.
This one. This one.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, fine. If you have any question, please ask me. Otherwise, we'll connect in the evening session.
Yeah. Okay.
Hello.
Okay, sir.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, can you give me the short overview that what you have created, what we have created over the session, like the steps initially, what we have created right now? Just show me the pages to note it down.
You are asking this assignment, today assessment.
Not the assignment. Yeah, today what we have created, this all these things. So just show me the sequence, what we have created. Overview of it. That's not.
Okay. First create the data set, employee data set. Okay. In that data set, we created the fields. These are the fields. You know that fields, right? Yesterday assignment done. I mean,
Yes.
okay. So whatever we specified fields in yesterday, same thing. We need to create those fields. This is the data set done. Now I am going to created APIs for that employee data set. We created three APIs. So DB level done, means data set APIs done. Now where I created one application as employee management. Within the application, I created one module, and after that, in that module, I created 2 pages. Okay. Now, design the employee list and linked whatever you create that API to this employee list. So in the properties, we have API, employee list. Here we are connecting with this data set. This data list API. The same thing, we designed the employee form, what we did yesterday. Okay. There also we connected with API, employee form we have. Here also, here we connected with API. This is the flow. Clear?
Like one doubt is there. Like in
Yes.
the employee list, you have integrated with the employee list API. Right?
Okay.
In the employee list page, you have like linked with integrated it with the employee list API.
Yes.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay. Anyone else?
Sir, nothing. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, Ashish Kumar.
Hello.
Yes, tell me. I can hear you.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes.
What I'm sharing my screen.
You are sharing your screen?
Yes.
Yeah, share your screen.
Hello.
Yes. Yes, tell me.
Sir, it is my yesterday assignment. But when I am entering the employee name
Hmm.
like this, it's automatically entering the here at this field.
That means you given same name to the employee name and address. Go to development kit.
Yeah.
Go to that page.
Yes, sir.
Which page you designed? Do you know the page name? Employee form, right? Open that one.
Yeah.
Go to builder. See, click on employee name. Yesterday assignment, I said employee name is a text field. You select the text area. Okay, that is also fine. But here you should give the unique name, right? Give employee
Okay.
name in the text area. Remove the text. Okay. Go to address field. Address. Click on address. See, here also text area. That's why.
Acha.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Fine. Thank you, guys. We will connect in the evening session.
Hello.
Hello. Yes.
Sir, can I share my screen once? I have a problem.
Okay.
Sir, end user applications lo.
Okay.
ఇక్కడ మెను అంటే నేను ఆల్రెడీ ఇంతకు ముందు చేసిన హోటల్ అప్లికేషన్ యాప్ అవేమి ఓపెన్ అవ్వట్లేదు సార్. ఇక్కడ నేను లాగౌట్ చేస్తుంటే మళ్ళా లాగిన్ అవ్వడానికి కూడా ఏమి అవ్వట్లేదు సార్. జస్ట్ ఇట్లానే అనిపిస్తుంది.
సార్ హార్డ్ రిఫ్రెష్ ఈ పేజ్కి వెళ్ళు. ఈ పేజ్ నువ్వు డిఫాల్ట్ అప్లికేషన్ ఏం పెట్టు? Go to applications in the development kit.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you selected college management is the default application. That's why it is loading that one. Select base application is the default one. You selected college management is the default application, and that page also master page is the user. That's why you are getting. Change it to base application. It will work. The default application. You have to wait one moment, 1 minute at least. Go to any, development kit. Is it updated? Default application is the base application. Scroll
Yes,
down.
sir.
It take 1 to 2 minutes. Wait, will come.
Okay, sir.
Madam, please send yesterday evening class recording. Okay. No need update. Check it now.
Okay, sir.
Okay. See.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, fine. Okay. Thank you all. We will connect in the evening session. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Okay,
Bye.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.